Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a basket of rolls for your Thanksgiving dinner. So hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our basket of rolls, I'm going to begin by drawing a straight line across on my paper. So let's begin right here and we're just going to make a straight line that comes across. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up in like a V shape. And then I'm going to do another one over here. I'm going to go down and then up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go over. And then I'm going to jump over here, and we're going to draw this line across. We're going to jump over again, and then connect it up to here for the top of our little basket. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and you can see it kind of goes in at an angle. Then we want to do the same thing over here. We're just going to come down, and we go in at an angle. Starting here, we're going to make a line that just comes across and connects to here. Now, on my basket, I'm going to make some kind of little X shapes on here. So I'm going to start here, and we're just going to draw a nice diagonal line. Then we'll put another one here. I'm going to put another one right here. And then that's about all I need on that side. Over here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up. I'll draw another one over here. Put one here, and then one more here. Now, starting here at the bottom, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out. We're going to go across and up to here. Now, inside of here, I want to start adding our little dinner rolls. So first, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make my first roll. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. Now, starting here, we want to draw a line that's going to come in, and then it's going to go out here, and it's going to curve down. And then right here, we'll add a little bump to connect it. So let's draw another one here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down. I'm going to bring it back up. And then we're going to draw a little line that comes down. Then we'll just connect it right here with a bump. Then I want to put one on top here too. So I'm going to start right here. We'll draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come down here. Then we'll come back up. Next we'll draw a line that just goes out, and it's going to come right down to this one. And we'll draw a little bump on here. Now, inside of here, I want to make some little faces on our rolls. So we're just going to keep this real simple. And I'm just going to start over here. We'll make a little circle, and then another circle here. We'll put a little black dot inside each one. Then I'll make a little line across with a nice big smiley face that goes down and up. We'll do a little curved line for the tongue. We'll do another one over here. We'll add a circle for an eye. We'll leave some space, and we'll make another circle for an eye. We'll add a little black dot inside each one. And this one we're going to make a nice long smiley face, and then we'll make a little tongue sticking up out of it with a little line. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, or it's going to go in and out. And another one that's going to go in and out. We'll make a little line across with a little line that's going to go down and up, so it looks like it's kind of laughing. And there you go. There is your drawing of your little basket of dinner rolls. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.